Hi, very good morning. This is Chandru from USP Packaging Solutions Private Limited, heading office at Chennai. We are specialists in coding and marking on the primary packs, secondary packs, and tertiary packs. What you see here is the high resolution printer range, which can print from 18 mm high till 140 mm high on the shipper cartons. Right next is the laser coding equipments. On my right, I'll show it to you on deeper on that. We have three different variants on that. One is a CO2 laser, fiber laser, and the UV laser. CO2 laser is mainly for the laminates as well as the paper cartons. And we have a fiber laser to code on metal substrates like tins or any metal containers like that. And we have a UV laser for coding on HDPE and LDPE pouches. The range starts from 3 lakhs on the inkjet printers, continuous inkjet printers. We have two different variants in it. One is to code 5 lines of text and another one to code 8 lines of text. Thank you.